Welcome to this channel, guys. In this video we're going to learn how to make double exposure in PicsArt. Before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new amazing videos. Alright, let's get started. So to begin, you have to click the plus sign. So when you click the plus sign, you move over to draw and colors. So you move over to popular size, you come over here, you click on custom. So you come up, when you come out on custom, you have to input these numbers: 1000 for width, 1400 for height. So when you're done, you click on create. So since it's done, so you move over here. This is the layer. You select the layer. You select the first layer. You select this pen sign. So you have to drag this color over here. Don't drag it to the extreme, just drag it like this. So this is the color code. Red is 49, green is 36, blue is 36. So this is the color code. You can adjust it from here. So when you are done, you click on good. Now you have to select the add object. Select photos. So from here you select the photo that you want to edit, which is this photo. So when I'm done, I click on good. I have to resize it. When you are done resizing it to your taste, you come over here, you click on this, you click on edit image. But before you have done that, when you are done, you come over, you select this. When you select that, you click on edit image. So it's going to move over here. So when you come over here now, we have to edit this image. You click on tools. So when you click on tools, you click on adjust. So from here, let's edit this image. The brightness, let's increase the brightness. So let's leave it to 12. The contrast, let's reduce the brightness a bit. Let's increase the contrast, clarity, saturation, highlight, okay. When you are done, you click on good. Okay, since we are done editing this image, the next thing that we're going to do now is that let's move back to the editing section. Let's click on draw. Alright, when we're here, we select this layer. So this second layer, we're going to add an image over there. You click on add object, you click on photo. So from here, you select the image, which is this image. Click on good. Now let's resize it. I think it's okay like this. So you come over here, you select this, move to overlay. Let's resize it more. Let's move over here. Let's reduce the opacity. I think 80 is okay. Alright, this is good. When you're done, click on save. You can edit it further from here. You can edit it further from here. I think it's okay like this. When you're done, you click on good. Now you click on save. Click on save as JPG. Click on save. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new amazing videos. See you soon.